Good morning, people, or good evening, whatever time of day it is. It's not too good around here, and I'll show you why. What y'all think? Huh? You like the snow? Huh? You like the snow? Not really. This one sure don't. It has come I wouldn't say snow. It's this ain't nothing but sleet. Pups are enjoying it. Sometimes they'll have about 5 minutes and then they want to come back in. Down here in Mississippi, we got some sleet, some snow further north of me. Got some, but mostly what I got and where I'm headed to got mostly sleet for about a day and a half. It is currently 18 degrees. I'm surprised my heat pump hasn't froze up. I'm about to bust my butt, y'all. Like I said in the last video, us Southerners aren't built for this. We pretty much shut down, but the company called me that I do a lot of work for, said, hey, will you come clear our parking lot? I said, yeah, I reckon. Might as well try to make some money. So I've been out here. This is Rook's new chipper. All in my way, of course. I've been out here trying to shovel some of this stuff off my trailer. It's not doing a whole lot of good, but I did get the skid steer brought home the other day. Today is Tuesday. I got it Sunday because I knew this was going to happen, so got it home, got it inside, got the fuel problem fixed for now. Maybe I knew if I didn't park it inside it would really struggle, so I'm gonna get it fired up, get everything, try to get it loaded up and see if I can make it down the road. So y'all stick around for this adventure. Okay guys, 4 hours later, I finally get the skid steer running. The fuel pump decided to completely quit working. Him hauled around with that, took it apart, wound up putting it back together wrong. Cost me more time, finally figured that out. So we'll see. I don't know if it's gonna stay running or not, but I got to get some more chains on that thing and then we are finally gonna head down the road. So this is my road. I got it in 4 high. I got to go probably about 20 miles maybe. It don't seem like it's that far because it's all highway, but got a good little piece. If I can make it to the highway, it's about 2 miles up this road. I'll get on the main highway and then it's basically a straight shot. So I think we'll be fine. I just got to watch out for other idiots like me out here today. All right guys, we're almost here, but this is going to be the most challenging part of it, is pulling this big hill right here that nobody has plowed or salted or anything. So here we go. Got her locked in 4-wheel drive. The main boss man's behind me, so if all else fails, maybe he can hook to me and help pull me, but so far we're going pretty good. I know it don't look like much on camera, but it's a pretty good little hill. I guess the only good thing is nobody's ran up and down it so much that it's packed it down. It's still kind of crunchy. Not that I know anything about snow or sleet, I should say. Oh yeah, we're gonna make it. I'm gonna get up here and get unloaded and talk to him and show you what we got to do. All right, so this is my main man, John. He's the one who started this place. So first gonna start by the offices, make sure we get that cleaned out. The only problem we got right there in front of the van is curbs, so I gotta figure out how to get it over there to that ditch line. John, what about any of the truck bays? We gonna mess with that, or?
No, I think they can get to that pretty good.
Okay.
We just get it where the employees won't slip and slide. We'll be all right.
All right. So the bulk of it's gonna be up there. I'm gonna fly the drone over, letting this thing warm up, so we'll get a whole perspective. It's a pretty good sized parking lot. Alright y'all, so neither bucket is doing worth a crap. This stuff is already kind of packed down too much. Tried it down there. The smooth bucket did the best. That way I'll just have to flip it straight up and down. So I don't know y'all, this is probably gonna be a nightmare. Alright guys and girls, I am officially a popsicle, so I am going to call it a day. Did I mention the heat's not working in that thing? I did get a good bit done. It ain't nothing but ice out here. It's terrible. So I'm just doing the best I can. I'll try to ride through there and show y'all what I got done real quick. But I'm gonna unhook from this trailer and leave it here so I don't have to pull it home. Alright, so I got all this over here shoved one way or the other. Gonna let the sun beat on that tomorrow, see how it does. I'll come over here and do this where I'm at right here in the morning, kind of see how things are gonna go. Y'all think this big girl will do a donut? Well y'all, back here the next morning, what I got up there cleared out. It is thawed up pretty good so far. It's still 18 degrees this morning, so whatever thawing it's gonna do, I need to hurry up and get it off there so the sun can beat down on it. But I put some anti-gel in this thing last night, ran it for a little bit, I hope she's gonna crank and stay running. We'll see. Let's do old cold start. All right, y'all, we got the machine warmed up, or crunk up. It's warming up. Y'all can see I'm bundled up like an Eskimo. It is 19 degrees. Some of y'all, my northerners, some of y'all, that's like every day, but I'm over it. I'm sick of this crap. Well, y'all, I've been having a time with this thing. The smooth bucket just getting to where it wasn't hardly doing anything, so I went and put the tooth bucket back on, and it seems to be doing a lot better as far as busting it up. I'm just doing the best I can with it. Y'all can see over here that where I cleared yesterday and the sun is hitting it, it's looking really good, and what I got done this morning and over there is looking good. But I'm gonna try to hurry up and get this right here before it gets too late. So let me set y'all up right here and watch it a little bit. As y'all can see, the tooth bucket sucks too. I'm really over this mess. I hate this stuff. What I'm gonna try to do is cut it like that, then I'm gonna put the smooth bucket back on and see if then it will push that stuff on out. Because all I'm doing with the tooth bucket, it's cutting it out good, but seems like it only wants to cut good going that way. But the longer I'm pushing, the more it's just pushing snow out and packing it right back down. So I feel like I ain't doing nothing but wasting time. I'll get it figured out one way or the other. We've struggled this whole time, might as well struggle the rest of the job. Well, that ain't working worth a crap either. So I guess I'm gonna put the tooth bucket back on and just keep running back and forth. I don't know. About all I can do is just suffer through it, I guess. Still got a lot to do. Alright guys, I'm done. I've had enough. The sun is getting so far behind the building it's casting a shadow over the whole parking lot, so it's not going to melt anymore today, I know, but it's just got a thin layer on what I've been working on all day, so it should melt off pretty quick in the morning. It's supposed to, it was supposed to get up to 35 degrees today, but I never seen it get above 20, so I think they missed the mark on that. But tomorrow there's given a chance of more mix, I guess, some rain, but then it's supposed to drop off really cold again, so I don't know. I may have just did all this for nothing, but anyway, I'm gonna do a flyover of what I got done. Y'all don't make fun of me. I'm just a southern boy that I don't like doing this stuff. I'm glad we don't get that much snow and ice, which if I had something better, that cutting edge on that bucket is junk. The teeth on the other bucket are junk. I got some new teeth for it, but yeah, if I was better equipped for this stuff. But I mean, this happens like once every 3 or 4 years, so no sense in investing in something that I never use. So y'all take it easy on me. All right, anyway, y'all keep your eyes open. I'll see you later.